So the banana tree has a new home. Make sure y'all check the YouTube channel to see where the new home is. It's the most beautiful place in the world. Yes, indeed. We're going to take beautiful banana to a beautiful location. We're just not about to load her up. You got to be careful with her because she's very fragile and we don't want to hurt her. Marley. Hey, princess. You ready to go drop off the banana tree? Look at how beautiful she is. Marley. Hey, princess. We walk into the birthing center and look what they have here. All the beautiful babies, and they got a growing tower. We're at the midwife for a second appointment. That's where we're gonna be born. Marley Myers. Yes, no stress, born in the water. And it begins. She's going to a new home.
So we are taking our beautiful banana tree to someone very, very special. Ain't that right, Marley? Right, Marley? Say yes. We gotta take our friend with us. Don't forget our friend. Our banana tree friend.
This is a beautiful plant right here, so that's good. Oh shit, my bad, cuz. She deep up in there. Here she comes.
Uh-oh. Remember, we put her 12 inches, 1 foot.
Make sure I get her up. I ain't gonna chop her short.
This is some good soil right here. Look at all those rocks. Uh-oh, Mark. I'm going to... Oh, nice. Those roots. So beautiful.
And the base got bigger.
Yeah. Nice.
Probably just...
That's our hope.
One of the impeccable things about banana trees, before they bear fruit, they bear a child to keep their bloodline growing. And that's one of the reasons why we gifted it to our midwife. Thank you, Nick. Keep on growing. Oh, that's amazing.
beautiful.
Oh, yep.
So you're getting rocks to put, you're gonna put it on top of the placenta?
Actually, I'll do the rocks after we put the tree. Wow, that was amazing. So we put some
Is it
dirt
hot,
on it?
Mama? I think you should put the tree and then it's gonna give nutrients to the tree. So the banana tree has a different friend this time. The placenta.
Can you hold it, baby, real quick?
Look at those roots.
Nice.
Can you come zoom in on here for me?
Those beautiful roots. And the placenta's under there sitting pretty. Look at these beautiful ladies. Marley! Alright, stop. What a beautiful thing. We like some Palo Santo. Set the vibe. So this is an update from the tree that Nikki sent us not too long ago in December of 2022. And the tree is doing amazing, and we look forward to keep on growing.